Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Vera. I recently retired. I'm mortgage and debt free. However, I'm still enjoying my frugal lifestyle. It's Sunday morning here and it doesn't rain. It's quite nice outside, but I have a task to do. I do have my Etsy shop here in Canada. I used to have one in UK, but I had to close because they don't transfer the bank details. So a couple days ago, 2 sets of balls were sold, crochet balls. And I thought, well, maybe it's a good idea to make a video how I'm creating them, how I'm making them. Because the lady wanted a particular style, and I'll show you in a minute how I'm making them and what I'm talking about. So I didn't have enough, so I have to make extra in order to fulfill those orders. So here are the balls. She wanted 3 of this and she wanted 3 of this. And I have only 2 of each, so I have to make extra. So what I'm doing, first I crochet. You see this plain twine I found here at Dollarama shop. But I do crochet to make it a bit nicer. So here what I did, I'm not a crochet person, trust me. I'm a knitter, but I know the basic stuff. So I do crochet the chain, then after that I glue on a ball. So I did this a day ago actually. This one I had in my stash. When I was moving, I brought with me. It has to be cotton because it looks nicer when it's cotton. I did try polyester yarn. It didn't turn nice. When I buy my stuff, I usually check charity shops because you can find, for peanuts to be honest, good cotton yarn for crochet. So what you need, of course, a hook, glue gun, and these balls, and they are quite cheap. It's $1.50 for 6 balls, styrofoam balls. In the past, in UK, when I was at work, somebody threw a bunch of tennis balls. So what I did those tennis balls. They sold immediately. I remember one lady, she bought 6 sets. I made around 250 pounds on those balls. I don't know if you can see, because like I said, I'm quite new to this YouTube business. I don't have a proper setup, so I'm gonna try my best to show you how I'm making these balls. I need to invest in a tripod. So what you do, first you make a loop. See, you make a loop. Then you start crocheting the chain. It has to be really loose because it looks nicer. So that's how I do my chain. And it's usually kind of going fast. When I watch TV, I always do something or cut papers or do chains. But you see, that's what I do. The next thing is, I'm going to show you. So I'll put this aside because I already crocheted some twine. And we'll start on the balls. Yeah, I'll start on this. So you take a ball, here is my glue gun, so you dab a bit of glue and you attach this. You can see. At the same time, I'm attaching the brown one, the twine. Then you start shaping. I'm not worried about these ends because I'm going to tidy up. Then you go in a circle and hold like so. Again, put a bit of glue and do the same thing with the white yarn chain. Okay, so that's a start. Then I glue these ones just to hide and make it nicer. Again, put some glue around. Then you go with twine, like so. I hope you can see it. Okay, we'll continue. They usually go fast. And like I say, they are, especially now around Christmas, you know, it's a good gift ideas to give someone handmade items. And they are not that expensive. First of all, you don't need to invest a lot of money in those. The balls are cheap. Twine is cheap. Like for 6 balls, I paid $150, I believe. Yeah, $150. Twine is around $125, and you can make quite a few balls. So here it is. And that's what you do. You continue gluing till the end. And that's how you do two-tone balls. I wish I can crochet doilies, but for some reason it never appealed to me. I'm more like, you know, into knitting. When my daughter was born, I was knitting a lot because at that time, you know, you couldn't find lots of, you know, nice clothes. So I was knitting different items. I remember she had even a knitted coat. It's shaping up. When I was moving, I even brought glue with me, glue sticks, because to be honest, after all this, like, you know, calculation, I find for me was cheaper to bring from UK, so I brought 5 packs. People will think that I'm crazy, but you know, it's much cheaper than here. Here you buy, I think, 18 sticks for $1.65 plus taxes. Over there I paid just a pound for 32 sticks. So if you take a pound, and exchange rate is 1.70, so just imagine how much I saved. I'm a businesswoman. I like, you know, numbers. I mean, I never like the numbers, but yeah, I like to calculate my cost. Let me put this way. Well, I hope you can see, but it's It's a beginning. And that's it. Keep going. Watch TV and keep gluing the balls. And just press the cord so it's gonna stick. At the end, I just kind of, tidy up by cutting all these little hairs of scissors. So that's a craft idea. That's how I'm making my balls. So these ones were a bit kind of, at the beginning I thought it's so complicated. No, they're not complicated. And the other ones, even easier. You just go 2 tones and that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my crafting idea. As you noticed, I'm not the best video creator, but promise you, stick with me and I'll get better. I wanted to kind of continue on this ball and show you how I'm ending the ball. So you can have an idea how it's done at the end. It's a good craft, to be honest. Passive income. Here is idea for a passive income. I'm selling 3 balls for $16.99 and they pay shipping. And you would think, oh, who is gonna buy them? Well, guess what? People do buy and they don't mind to pay for the shipping. I just need to figure out, I'm still struggling with shipping cost here in Canada and America. Over there, I had the Royal Mail, so I knew how much it cost me, like £4.69, and it was done. Here, like I said, I'm still figuring out, so I'm writing down, because I sold quite a few snippets to America. And what I'm doing, if I'm overcharging people, I'm doing refund because I feel bad, overcharging. So I'm not too sure how much is gonna be the postage for these balls, but she paid quite a bit of money and I feel a bit guilty because, like I said, I'll find out tomorrow how much it is. So here is almost the end of the ball. Just wanted to show you. Just have your scissors ready. Okay, I hope you can see it. So I cut. Like so. See? Then I'm trying to hide, so I'm gonna glue this. And just press well. So I did the white one, as you can see. Now I have to hide this. Okay. And glue the end to the bowl. Again, pressing hard. I have to stare at the camera. I'm staring God knows where. Again, secure of the glue. Some people have those rubber kind of finger protection. I'm okay. I'm tough. So here is my bowl. It took me what, 15 minutes maybe? Maybe. Here it is. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you get inspired and start crafting. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day wherever you are.